It's Michelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in Rome, Italy, and I'm here at the Vatican City with Joseph and Jonah and his grandma. And we're here in the Vatican Museum, taking a look around. So right now we're on our way to the Sistine Chapel. Check out this room around me. The ceilings are gorgeous. So right now we're here in St. Peter's Square, and behind me is St. Peter's Basilica. Check out this line though to get into the Basilica. It's so long. Honestly, I don't even know where it ends. Oh, there's Joseph. So right now we're about to go in the Basilica. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. So right now we are inside St. Peter's Basilica. Take a look at how beautiful this church is. And then also the ceiling too. Whoa. Thanks so much for coming to the Vatican with us. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!